All right, so all right, are we done now?
Yeah. Yes.
No.
No.
No, we're not done
We
now.
still gotta go under.
There you go. Got to go under. All right, Sissy, fold that into quarters like that, like it is.
Okay. This is how we flip.
On the other side, on that side right there, like that.
Just like this. Just like that.
There you go. Now, I'll help you. There you go. Just like that.
Okay.
All right.
So the rule is whenever you're wiping under, you gotta look under.
There you go. All right, so let me spray. Watch out, Ivy. Shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
Mix up that carnauba. All right. All right. Show us how it's done, Lisa.
You gotta keep. Oh, forget this up. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now what about that lip right there?
Ooh, that's dirty.
You got to do that one too. I know. So what we do is, since we got a dirty
You gotta
microfiber,
flip them over.
we flip it to the other side where it's clean.
Yep.
All right.
And then we go. Ooh,
Right here. Start
that
right
paint
there.
scratch.
Where? Nah, it's all right. Start right there.
That was there when we bought it.
Come down.
Go all the way back here.
All the way back there. There you go.
Okay, and there's some right there. See that?
Oh, get it. Go ahead and get it. All the way down. No, we don't go back and forth. We go down.
It won't come off.
It's okay.
What is that? I see a little spritz right there.
Okay.
What is that? It's dirt? No, it won't come off.
It's okay.
That's really stained in dirt or
Okay.
either spot.
It's okay. What else, Alyssa?
Um,
Is that pretty much it?
ooh, no. What is that? There's stuff all the way.
Uh-oh, we just lost our flash. Okay. Or our battery. So, Ivy, you go back behind it, Alyssa?
Oh, I see something. I saw something.
Come on.
Okay. Go back behind. Get all the. Get a look for them.
All right, make sure you do the
Excuse me.
the flat lip right here.
Yep.
All the way underneath.
Oh, did you?
No, I just tap. Wait.
I heard like a bomb. Let's see if we can get
No, right here.
this
Ivy.
off.
Ivy. Right here, all the way down.
Oh,
Buff it in. There you go. Buff it in. Now this is microfiber cleaned it. And yours is buffing it in. There you go. All right. So now we got a nice clean door jamb.
yeah.
So when we're talking about door jambs, this part, that part, and the door itself is a door jamb, right? All right. So how hard was that, girls?
Not very hard.
The most important thing about door jambs is make sure we keep them clean.
Yeah. And make sure on the first thing, you gotta make it go soft, and then the next thing, you gotta buff it.
There you go. Soft clean. And let the cleaning solution do your cleaning, and you just wipe it off, and then you buff it off, right? All right. So what do we say to everyone?
And
If you got any comments, leave them in the comments, right?
if you got any comments, leave them in the comments.
Things you'd like to see, leave them in the comments.
If you like to see them, leave them in the comments.
Say thank you.